Ever scrolled through social media and seen those sleek, minimalist cards with the intriguing Vivid logo? Maybe you've been bombarded with targeted ads promising a financial revolution, a world of free investing, zero fees, and effortless budgeting. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up, because in today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Vivid and dissecting that million-dollar question: is a Vivid account truly free? Now, before we dissect the fine print, let's paint a broader picture. Fintech apps are all the rage. They promise to disrupt the traditional banking model, offering a more user-friendly and tech-savvy experience. Vivid certainly fits that mold. They boast a sleek app, commission-free stock trading, and budgeting tools. But is it really all sunshine and rainbows? The answer, like most things in life, is a resounding it depends. Here's why. The two sides of the Vivid coin. Vivid offers two main account types, Standard and Prime. The Standard account is where the free aspect comes in. You get a basic checking account, a debit card, and the ability to send and receive money. Sounds pretty good, right? But here's the catch. Limited features. The Standard account lacks some crucial features you might expect from a primary bank account. No bill pay, limited ATM withdrawals, and forget about international transactions. For everyday banking needs, it might not be enough. Monetization mystery. So, how does Vivid make money if the Standard account is free? This is where things get a little murky. They likely generate revenue through interchange fees on debit card swipes at merchants. In simpler terms, every time you use your Vivid card, the merchant might pay a small fee to Vivid. The Prime upgrade, perks with a price tag. Now, let's talk about the Vivid Prime account. This is where the hidden costs creep in. For a monthly fee, you unlock the features most people expect: unlimited ATM withdrawals, international transactions, and bill pay. Here's a breakdown of the cost. Monthly fee. The exact cost of Vivid Prime can vary depending on your location and chosen plan. However, expect to pay somewhere between €3.99 and €9.99 per month. So, is Vivid free? The verdict. The answer depends on your needs. If you're looking for a basic, no-frills checking account for occasional use, the Standard account might be a decent option. However, keep in mind the limitations and potential hidden fees through interchange. If you need a full-fledged checking account with all the bells and whistles, you'll have to upgrade to Prime, which comes with a monthly fee. Here's the key takeaway: there's no such thing as a truly free lunch, even in the world of fintech. The bottom line. Vivid offers a compelling service for the tech-savvy crowd, but it's crucial to understand the limitations of the free tier and the cost associated with the premium features. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and choose the account that best fits your financial needs. Remember, a well-informed decision is always the best financial decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.